Good day everyone. Today I just want to talk about something. We all have those experiences we avoid to tell or share to anyone. But today I want to talk about something really hard. A breakup that hurt more than the words can say. This experience left me feeling broken and lost. It was not just the cheating, but it was the way it made me question everything. To start this, I want to ask you a question. What exactly the word love really means to you? For me, love is not just a word or feeling. It's a choice, a commitment, and it's about learning, supporting, deep respecting, and understanding from each other. Before he cheated, there were little things I noticed about him. He was secretive, distant sometimes. He also lied about small things, and I tried to ignore it. And I told myself I was being too sensitive because of what I've noticed about him before. But looking back, those were signs that he was already building a wall between us even before he actually cheated. When I found out, it felt like my whole world crashed. I was angry, hurt, confused, and so ashamed. I felt like I was not important and good enough, that I had somehow caused this. Those feelings stayed with me for a long time. It was just like a bad dream that I could not wake up from. And after what happened between us, it is really hard for me to trust anyone again. But after what happened, I learned a lot from this painful experience. I want to share some lessons so you can avoid the same pain or find strength if you're going through with the same situation I've experienced. First lesson that people can learn from my experience is that if something feels wrong in a relationship, don't ignore it. Because those little signs are important. And if someone is being secretive or distant, that's a big red flag. Second, cheating is never the victim's fault. It's about the cheater's choice, not our worth. Remember that we deserve respect and loyalty. And lastly, learn to trust again. For me, this is the hardest part, but it's possible. It takes time and patience, but we can learn to trust again. Just remember that we deserve someone who will treat us with respect and honesty. When we feel this kind of experiences, don't keep our feelings bottled up, because sharing our feelings can help us to heal. Healing takes time, and we need to be gentle with ourselves during this process. And talk to someone who will listen and support us. This was a really tough time in my life, but it also made me stronger. I learned to trust my instinct, to value myself, and to know what I deserve in a relationship. I hope that my story helps and gives you lesson, guys. And always remember that you are not alone. Thank you.